Someday, somewhere, we'll find a new way of living. We'll find a way of forgiving. Somewhere, there's a place for us. Somewhere, a place for us. Peace and a quiet and open air wait for us somewhere. There's a time for us. Someday there'll be a time for us. Time together with time to spare. Time to learn, time to care. Someday, somewhere, we'll find a new way of living. We'll find there's a way of forgiving. Somewhere, somewhere, there's a place for us, a time and a place for us. Hold my hand and we're halfway there. Hold my hand and I'll take you there. Somehow, someday, somewhere. How do I get through one night without you? If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh, I need you in my arms, need you to hold. You, my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, baby, you will take away everything good in my life. Oh, without you, there'll be no sun in my sky. There'll be no love in my life. There'll be no world left for me and I. Baby, I don't know what I'll do. I'd be lost if I lost you. If you ever leave, baby, you will take away everything real in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know. How do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, oh how do I live? If you ever leave, baby, you take away everything, need you with me. Baby, don't you know that you're everything good in my life? And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know. How do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, oh how do I live? How do I live without you, babe? Oh yeah. I pray you'll be our eyes and watch us where we go and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer when we lose our way. Lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, to a place where we'll be safe. I pray we'll find your light and hold it in our hearts. When stars go out each night, remind us where you are. Let this be our prayers when shadows fill our day. Help us find a place, guide us with your grace, give us faith so we'll be saved. We ask that life be kind and watch us from above. We hope each soul will find another soul to love. Let this be our prayer, just like every child need to find a place. Guide us with your grace, give us faith so we'll be safe. I love Padeke, Kaya si so inoi, Santo Kachi so be When I am alone, I sit and dream. When I dream, the words are missing. Yes, I know that in a room so full of light, that all the lights are missing. But I don't see you with me. With me, close up the windows, bring the sun to my room. Through the door you opened, close inside of me the light you see, that you met in the darkness. Time to say goodbye. Horizons are never far, and I have to find them alone. Without your light on my own, with you I will go. On ships overseas that I now know, now they don't exist anymore. It's time to say goodbye. When you were so far away, I sat alone, dreamed new horizons. Then I know that you were here with me, building bridges over land and seas. Shine a blinding light for you and me to see, for us to be. Time to say goodbye. Horizons are never far, and I have to find them alone. Without your light on my own, with you I will go. On ships overseas that I now know, now they don't exist anymore. Without your light on my own, with you I will go. On ships overseas that I now know, now they don't exist anymore. Without your light on my own, with you I will go. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells, schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters melt into springs. These are few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.